Becoming TikTok famous by getting thousands of people to follow you and your brand isn't as hard as you think. And I'm about to show you how you could do it too with a few clicks of a button. What's up, guys? This is Lambo P with Love here from Blueprint Your Mind, the channel that is dedicated to teaching you how to create multiple streams of income using digital and affiliate marketing. And if you want to fire your boss in 2023, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I'm dropping content, and smash like on this video if you believe it to bring you value. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms on the internet today, with billions of users that go on TikTok every single day looking at different content and creators that are uploading videos on the platform. If you are a creator yourself, or maybe you're a small business just looking to get more people to follow you and your brand, TikTok would be the #1 recommendation that I would have for you in order for you to start growing your brand quickly. Now, in order to do this, you've probably been scrolling down TikTok, looking at tons of videos, listening to tons of gurus tell you that this is the fastest way to grow your TikTok account. Maybe using strategies like hashtags, trending sounds, trends, or just modeling someone else's video. All these methods are proven to work when you want to grow your platform organically. But what happens if you don't have the time to learn these different strategies or the time to really create all of the content that's needed in order for you to start building up your follower base? Well, in this video, I'm about to show you exactly how you can save time by utilizing a little bit of money and a little bit of resources in order for you to start getting thousands of people following you just with a few clicks of a button. Let's get into today's training. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is log into your TikTok account. And what you're going to do, you're going to go over here to your little picture or your avatar that you see here, and you're going to go down till you see Business Suite. Now, this is the Business Suite side of TikTok. This is where it's going to show you all of your analytics. This gives you your workspace where you actually can promote your videos, or you could go to the Creative Hub in order to get ideas on creating content for your brand. Then you have Leads Manager in case you're running TikTok ads for leads, activity and support. This is going to take you to the TikTok business side. Regular TikTok is just a place where you upload videos and people are going to come and watch your content. In order to use the strategy that I'm about to show you, you're going to need a TikTok business account. And we have settings where you have your business registration. So let's go ahead and go to TikTok for Business. All right. After we get to TikTok for Business, it's going to ask us, what is TikTok for Business? It's going to explain to you where you are actually able to create ads in order to put them in front of your audience so you can start getting more leads, more sales, more followers, more brand awareness. This is where we're going to click the Get Started button. Now, after you get your TikTok business account set up and you actually get started with TikTok and you log in to the TikTok Business Manager, this is exactly what you're going to be seeing. This is going to be your dashboard, okay? Now, here we have where you're going to add money into TikTok. TikTok doesn't link directly to your bank account to where it's pulling money out of your bank account. You have to deposit money into TikTok in order to run ads. And that's where you would go here to payment. And this is where you would deposit your funds so you can start running ads. Now, all I wanted to do is kind of just show you guys basically what the dashboard looks like, but I don't want to take up too much time in today's training. So let's go ahead and set up our first campaign. So what you want to do, you want to come here to campaign. Once you come to campaign, next, you're going to go here to the Create button. Click Create. Now, you have two different modes that you can actually create ads in. You have the Simplify mode. So this is a simple way of setting up ads where you have 3 objectives. And I'll show you guys what that looks like here. So you have traffic. This is to send more people to your website. Community interaction is to get more page follows and profile visits. Lead generation and website conversions. In Simplified mode, you will come here to community interaction and click continue. After you click continue, it's going to ask you who should see your ads. This is who you're targeting. So I like to always have my target in a tier 1 country. Of course, the United States will be a tier 1 country. So I'm a target there. Then it has custom audience or automatic audience. Now, a custom audience, this is where you would actually choose exactly what demographics you would like to show your ad to. This is where you can choose their interests, their behaviors, their demographics. Is it a male? Is it a female? What are their ages? This is basically what a custom audience is. Then you have automatic audience. This is where you're telling TikTok, hey, I don't really know who's going to like this content. So put it in front of any and everyone that engages with this content. Now, for me personally, within my niche, I like to actually use a custom audience due to the fact that my content is not specifically for everyone. All right. So maybe for your business, that could be different. For me, technically, I would go with custom audience. Okay. So let's choose custom audience. We're going to go to demographics. On gender, we're going to have no limit, which means we want to target male and female. Age, we want to actually target people that are old enough to buy things. So I target all ages that are 18 and up. So I'm just going to highlight all of these. Now, depending on your product or service, you would know what your number is. But whenever you're running ads, it's always good to kind of feed the ad accounts data and let the data speak for everything, then make decisions based off of what the data has showed you. Next, we're going to go to languages. We're going to select English. Then we're going to go to interest and behavior. Now, this is where you can add any type of interest, any type of behavior that a person may have that's on the app. So if you come here, you can search for different categories, or you can click recommend, and TikTok will just recommend a category for you to target. You can also target people who have carried out certain interactions on a video, which means people watch a video to the end. Maybe they liked the video, maybe they commented, maybe they shared, and you can define exactly what videos that this person is watching. So if it's DIY, you could actually target people who watch these type of videos in order to put your content in front of them if that's within your niche, okay? For me, I'm gonna go ahead and choose lifestyle, entertainment, culture, education, and technology. And it's a fairly broad audience. And I want people who shared, commented, and liked. So for me, my objective is to get people to follow my content and my brand. So one, I have to understand who exactly is more likely to follow my content and my brand. So this is very important when it comes down to your targeting. So in interest and behavior, I would rather go with this, and then I would browse interest and behaviors. And I want to browse people who are into the news and entertainment. They're into business and services. They're into life services, food and beverage. Some people that are into e-com, and people that are into education. I want to target these particular viewers. A lot of the people within my niche, they watch the news and they like to be entertained. And the message that I'm conveying to this audience of people is the fact that this behavior that they have is not really profitable for them. Business services, a lot of people are looking to start businesses online. Life services, there are people that are working in this field that are just looking for passive income. Then we have food or beverage. Everyone likes to eat, right? E-com, a lot of people are wanting to start an e-com business because they feel like that's the fastest way to hit their income goals. And education, of course, because I am educating the public on exactly how they can generate multiple streams of income. So I would like people who would like to be educated. After I actually get all of this set up, then all I have to do is come down here and click continue. Now it's going to ask me, what is my goal? What's your advertising goal? My goal is to get more followers. I'm telling TikTok, hey, I don't want people just to come to my profile. I want people to follow me. Then it asks you for your daily budget. The minimum amount for this particular campaign can be $10. So $10 a day. And then you can run this for as long as you want. You can set start now with no end date. That means that you're just going to continuously run this ad. Or you could set specific time frames for this ad to run. So if I wanted to run from the 17th all the way to the 21st, then I can select that and I can click continue. Now, this is where you're going to be able to set up your ad itself, okay? The ad is just a video that you would like to put into the marketplace. My recommendation for doing this is always pick your top performing videos that you have already posted on TikTok. So if you have a viral video that's on TikTok, it's getting a lot of views, a lot of engagement, actually put that video onto the For You page in order to get more followers to your profile. So now I'm just going to select a few videos here. So we have one ad already that's popped in. We're going to come here to add. Now we're going to add a couple of more videos. I like testing different things. We're going to come to this video. We're just going to test a few creatives. So 3 ads are okay, $10 a day. And then after we complete all of this, all we have to do to launch our ads is publish. After your ads get approved and TikTok starts putting your ads on the For You page, people will start liking and engaging with your ad and also following your account. So guys, that's exactly how you're going to be able to grow your TikTok accounts using TikTok ads in order to build more brand awareness. And if you found that this video was valuable and it helped you move the needle forward today, don't forget to smash like on this video, because that's going to help YouTube put this video in front of more people, so more people will know exactly how they can grow their TikTok accounts, even if they don't have time to do it organically. And if you want to learn more techniques like this and start learning how to build multiple streams of income using digital and affiliate marketing, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I drop content. I'm going to be coming out with videos every single week on how you will be able to fire your boss in 2023 and live the full laptop lifestyle. So once again, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's training, and I'll see you all in the next video.